I would like to talk about why preparation is everything. There are two categories of actors in this industry: those who wait for the magic and those who prepare so that they can make it. In this video, I will talk about how preparation is the defining difference between the professional and the amateur actor. And if you want to bridge that gap, your preparation process is truly the key to your success. So let's start with my first core belief about this subject. The prepared actor is built, not born. Talent is great. It opens doors, it turns heads, but talent without discipline is like a Ferrari without gas. It might look impressive, but it doesn't go anywhere. Professional actors understand this. They know that behind every performance that may look effortless is hours, days, sometimes weeks of detailed preparation, script analysis, character work, emotional exploration, physical embodiment, voice work, research. The real work starts before the first rehearsal and never stops. So my second belief about this subject: professional preparation is specific, not general. This is where amateur actors can often fall short. They prepare in a general way. They read the script a few times, memorize the lines. They might think they're ready. They might even try to feel the emotion and go with the flow during performance. But the professional actor knows that clarity comes through specificity. The professional actor knows how to dig deeper into the script and answer the questions about what their character wants, personalizing what the character is going through and what they're driven by, knowing what stands in the character's way, what are the different tactics that they're using to get what they want, what is the emotional history behind this circumstance, and how does the dramatic logic unfold in the scene from one beat to the next to the next. The professional, prepared actor knows how to map out the emotional arc, experiment with physicality and behavior, and they know their character so well that they can then let go and truthfully live in the moment. So, do you really want to be a pro? Start getting specific. The next point I'd like to make about this subject is in the audition room, preparation is power. In the audition itself, you don't have any time to warm up. You walk in, you slate, and you go. That's if it's an in-person audition. If it's on tape, you can't just willy-nilly set it up and roll the camera without having your preparation underneath you. For those of you who have the opportunity and the luxury of going in person, which some of these auditions are coming back around nowadays, the actual experience of going into the room is so fast, you might not even remember what the hell you did in the room. It's like that. And it's over, and it's cold, and it's never ideal, most of the time. The amateur actor will go in hoping that they'll just wing it and feel inspired. Professional actors go in with their craft. They've rehearsed. They made decisions about the tone, their version of the character. And if the director or the casting director redirects them in the audition, they're able to adapt because they're grounded in their preparation. Here's an example that builds on that. Casting directors have said multiple times, we can tell in the first 10 seconds who's ready. And it's not about being perfect. It's about presence and specificity. And presence and specificity comes from being prepared. If you really want to stand out in your audition, be the most prepared actor in that room. Here's my next point on this subject. Rehearsal is where professionals elevate, not just catch up. Amateur actors show up to rehearsal to just figure things out. Professionals show up ready to play. So it doesn't mean being rigid or locked into a certain way of doing things. It means showing up with a point of view, having done internal and external work so that you can collaborate and adapt and grow with the ensemble and with the director. Directors love to work with prepared actors because they trust them to handle the responsibility of the role. The prepared actor also elevates the quality and the standard in the room, and they inspire their fellow actors to raise their game. True preparation unlocks freedom. When you're no longer worried about your lines or your basic choices, you can fully engage in the moment, respond truthfully and spontaneously, and be a true collaborator. Here's my last point about this subject. Consistency is the mark of a true professional. Anyone can give a great performance one time. The real challenge, how about doing it 8 times a week on Broadway? Or delivering everything that you got on a 14-hour shoot day? Or for take number 17, when you're exhausted, but you're losing daylight, so the director needs to go again and again and again 5 more times. Amateurs may rely on adrenaline. Professionals rely on their craft. Through preparation, professional actors create repeatable processes. They know how to warm up. They know how to take care of themselves. They know how to reset their instruments, reset emotionally, protect their voice, maintain their concentration, and deliver consistent, truthful work, even under pressure. Professional actors don't just wait until they feel it, quote unquote. They use their craft and their training to bring it every time. So here's a breakdown of how to prepare like a professional. Work on script analysis. Explore the process of building a character. Understand what it means to do research. Work on your voice and on your body. Explore and develop your emotional instrument. Preparation is the most loving thing that you can do for your craft, for the people that you collaborate and work with, and for yourself. In the end, preparation isn't just about being better, it's about respect. Respect for the story, respect for your fellow artists, respect for the audience, and most importantly, it's about the respect for yourself and your potential. It says, this matters to me. I care enough about what I'm doing to show up with everything I got. Because the truth is, the real difference between the professional actor and the amateur actor isn't just luck or looks or even raw talent. It's what happens before the cameras even roll, before the curtain rises, before the applause. It's in the grind, it's in the work and the sweat and the passion for what you're doing. It's the work that no one sees. That work pays off. Trust me. And if you can step into that and commit to that consistently, passionately, and with your whole heart, you're already becoming a professional actor. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Click on the description below for links to our website, as well as our free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.